Let's check out some 3rd gen parts on this car. Here we have the door strikers. These are available in machine finish with no grooves, machine finish with grooves, and anodized with grooves. This car also has the LG Billet door jamb vents. They come as a pair. It's available in machine finish or black anodized. Here are the black anodized LG Billet door jamb vents. This is what they look like when you receive them. And here are the door strikers. This is what it looks like when you receive them.